How to find community chat in Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find community chat in Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook Messenger application on your device. You will get access to your login section where you can easily enter all your login credentials and tap the login button to access Messenger chat section. Now tap on Allow button to allow Messenger to send you notifications. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Under Create Communities or under Communities, you will see the list of communities that are available to chat. You can tap Create Community and create a community. So here, you have to choose the option that best describes your community to start with suggested chat topics. Now here you have to name your community and give a community intro. You can toggle the button on for require approval to join. And then tap preview at top right corner of the screen. And then here you can select the chats to start with. And then tap the create community button. In the similar way, if there are other available communities, you can still see here under communities with whom or on which you can easily chat in Facebook Messenger. You can also add or remove the particular community if you don't wish to keep under communities with the help of the edit icon at top right corner of the screen. Here you can easily check mark the particular group or the community chat that you want to save and tap on the save icon. If you wish to remove, you can uncheck and tap the save icon and it will be hidden from this community section. So in this way, you can easily find community chat in Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.